Good morning, class. It's time for math. It is April 9th, Thursday. I need you to get out pages for lesson 35 and lesson 36. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see what we're doing as well. All right, there we go. Okay, I already have my name and date on the paper, so you don't have to sit and watch me do that. Okay, so make sure you get your name on your paper. All right, we are still working on decomposing numbers, taking them apart, subtraction. We have our number bond. On the next lesson, it's going to talk about making a 5 group, okay? That only means you're gonna have 5 on the top and then fill in with the rest down here. Eventually, well, we've talked about that in class 10 frames. We have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, so you can easily tell there's 10. So when you write these with 5 on the top, the kids automatically know there's 5. And so then you can just count on. We know there's 5 in the top, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if they talk about a 5 group, that's all it is 5 on the top and then start filling in on the bottom. So the directions say cross off the part that goes away. Fill in the number bond and number sentence. Jeremy had 9 baseballs. He took 5 baseballs outside to play and they got lost. How many balls are left? Well, we just have 2 numbers that we underline. Okay, we know that there's a total of 9 altogether. Okay, and so if we count these, we know we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 baseballs. He took 5 baseballs outside to play and they got lost. So this 5 is the part that goes away. So we're going to cross those off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we had 9. I'm going to fill that in. 5 went away, so we're going to subtract 5. And now we have, count with me, kids, 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. And then we have to fill in our number bond. Okay, so the whole number, the 9, the amount of baseballs there are, goes up here, 9. And then these are the parts. 5 went away, 4 are left. Okay, now look at this number bond down here. It's just turned differently, and that sometimes confuses the kids, but it just turned differently. So we still know, we look for these, we call them number paths. Okay, so where the 2 number paths lead, that's where you put that whole number at. Okay, kids, I'm going to let you do this one on your own. I'm going to read it to you though. Okay, so Sandy had 9 leaves. Then 4 leaves blew away. How many leaves are left? So 9 is the whole number. 4 is the part that's going away, so that's the part we need to cross off. And then we need to find out how many are left. How many are left will be your answer, and that goes here. Okay? All right, let's look at, should be the back of your page, lesson 36. Okay? It's kind of the same thing, except this time you have to draw the objects to go with it. Now, I'm not a great artist, so I usually use circles or X's or squares. Okay? It says make a 5 group drawing to show the story. That's what I showed you over here. That was a 5 group. Down here is a 5 group. Okay? Fill in the number bond and number sentence. Cross off the part that goes away. Nick had 10 party hats. I'm going to underline 10. 7 hats were thrown away. How many hats does Nick have now? Well, to begin with, we need to show our 10. So we're going to do that in a 5 group. So I'm just going to do 5 circles. 1, count with me, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to go down below. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we always organize our work in 5 groups, then we know 2 sets of 5 automatically. 2 sets of 5 is 10. Okay, so it's just a way, this is something that will follow them through the years, so it's a good thing to start learning now. So we have our 10 party hats. 7 hats were thrown away. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many hats does Nick have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we have all the information, and now we just have to fill it all in. 10 was how many we had all together. 7 went away, so we're subtracting 7. 3 was our answer, or 3 is what's left, so we'll put the 3 there. Now this number bond is kind of upside down, but again, these number paths lead to the whole number. So 10 goes here. That's how many we started with. 7 went away, 3 were left. These are the parts that make up the whole. Okay? All right, I'm going to read this next one for you. Tatiana, that's a fancy name, had 10 juice boxes. 3 juice boxes broke and spilled. How many full juice boxes does she have left? Well, I'm going to make the juice boxes here. We'll do our 5 groups. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 juice boxes broke, or they left. Okay, so you need to finish filling in your number sentence. I'm going to start you there with the 10. Remember, our whole number goes here. These are the parts that lead to it. Okay, how many went away goes here. How many are left goes here. Then down at the bottom, it just has some fun practice for us. So you just put the answer in there. You can use your counting fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to help with this. 5 minus 1 is, the next one says 5 minus 2. So I have 5, 4, 3. So how many do we have left? If I have 5 up, next one's 5 minus 3, and I take away 3. And then 5, I'm going to take away 4. This one's a little bit harder to get my fingers doing that. Okay? All right, kiddos, when you are done, I'd like you to take a picture of your lesson 36. I'd like to see this finished, okay? All right, I hope that helps, and I hope you don't have any problems with this, and I look forward to seeing your work. All right, bye. Oh, hey, before we leave, make sure you're counting by 1s, 5s, and 10s, okay? Let's do our 5s again. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, great job today, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.